Hi everyone. Today my topic is about the sea turtles. Why do we need turtles in our lives? Sea turtles are in high demand in the illegal wildlife trading world. So leather bags, leather shoes, leather purses, leather belts, leather wallets. Have you ever thought about which species of turtle looks best as your leather jacket? My topic today is about the importance of the turtles, mainly the sea turtle, which are endangered species. They are currently protected under the Endangered Species Act. Many animals are poached for specific features. Unfortunately, the sea turtles are poached not just for their meat but also for their skin, for shells, and eggs. The sea turtles are important for many reasons. They help beaches, for example, when the eggs of the shells of unhatched eggs, unhatched the eggs of turtles that are unhatched left behind, they provide nutrients and food for crabs and other creatures that live in the sand or in the water. They play a vital role in maintaining the health of the world's ocean. Turtles migrate for long distances throughout the world ocean and by doing so they contribute in maintaining the diversity throughout the world ocean by transporting, let's say, live organisms that are attached to them from one reef or seagrass bed to another reef or seagrass bed. And by doing so, they provide nutrients in nesting dunes. They ensure coral reefs remain strong and healthy. The sea turtles assist in modifying the physical structure of marine life and the ecosystem. The modifying of the physical structure of the marine ecosystem and the sea turtles' sponge consumption is very important to the health of the coral reefs. The sea turtles are large consumers of, or they consume, their main diet is the jellyfish. And the jellyfish is not only a nuisance to beachgoers, but a large amount of jellyfish can sink to the ocean floor and deposit jelly lakes, which can choke the seafloor habitats of oxygen, therefore reducing that biodiversity. The sea turtle consumption of jellyfish helps keep the population down. Should a leatherback turtle, which consumes a lot of jellyfish, become extinct, the jellyfish population will explode. And by doing so, the jellyfish prey on the larva of fish and they eat the eggs of the fish. So therefore, the leatherback turtles leave a specific, if they leave like a specific bed or ocean and become extinct, the jellyfish would completely consume the fish eggs, which would mean less fish. Sea turtles provide habitat for organisms such as the barnacles and algae, creatures um, that's called epinotes. Saving the sea turtles can help save our ecosystem and subsequently our planet. We owe it to the sea turtles to be more environment conscious. This is not just about saving the sea turtles, but the future of our planet as we know it. We should pay more attention to where our favorite leather bags, belts, and shoes come from. There are many ways that turtles are intertwined in our everyday lives, not just their skin or their oils or their meat. Um, the leatherback turtles travel for hundreds and thousands of miles. They go back to their favorite nesting place every mating season. The leatherback's favorite the the leatherback turtles are found in tropical and subtropical oceans. According to the Center of Biological Diversity, the leatherback turtles have been found as far south as the southernmost tip of New Zealand and as far north as the Arctic Circle. The leatherbacks are known to migrate thousands of miles between nesting and feeding grounds, and there was once a population of at least 100,000 females. Now there are fewer than, let's say, 2,000 females in existence. It has been documented that the giant tortoise can live for a life, they has a lifespan of at least 400 to 500 years. And not to take away from the importance of the freshwater turtle that helps control the aquatic vegetation. Sea turtles play a vital role in maintaining the ocean by regulating energy flow and giving energy flow of a given environment by being a food source for predators, and their eggs are also food for many animals as well. If the sea turtles become extinct, both marine and beach ecosystem will be weakened. For example, dune vegetation would lose a major source of nutrients. Their dunes are strong enough to prevent erosions. Because all parts of ecosystem are important, if you lose one part, all other parts will be affected. The sea turtles are mainly omnivores. They eat both plant and animals. The turtles can eat almost anything. Like, for example, the loggerhead turtles, hatchlings, may be omnivores, and the adults are carnivores, favoring crabs, whelks, conchs. Um, that's their main diet. They can also be herbivores, eating seagrass and algae. The sea turtles can consume jellyfish, tunicates, and other soft bodied animals. They also consume sponge, and their sponge consumption is very important for the health of the coral reef. We may not be aware of the importance of the sea turtles and the freshwater turtles and how they intertwine into our everyday consumption. For example, did you know besides leather and the meat shells that we eat from turtles, we get soap, creams, and oils? Some come from turtles as well. So the next time you go for your favorite Bath and Body Works, hint hint, like for example your strawberry pound cake or your Japanese blossom or your cucumber melon or that delicious smelling candle, think of the sea turtles. You may be covered from the tip of your head to the sole of your feet in turtle products. But I just want to leave a disclaimer. Please note that it is not founded that my favorite lotions and candles from Bath and Body Works are byproducts of the beloved sea turtles. While doing this research, while doing the research for this speech, it has made me more conscious of the products that I use and making sure that they're more environment friendly and just trying to figure out how I can do my part to protect the endangered species of both plants and animals in our planet.